Thompson Falls, and Bernice has worked her way down onto a nice rock with a nice view of the falls in the background. It's beautiful back in here, very quiet and serene. We had to do a pretty good climb to get back up in here, and we're all by ourselves. And it's really very pleasant view. A lot of rock, a lot of beautiful waterfalls and cascades. And Bernice is doing a really good job. We'll across the stream a way back, and good job, hon. How you feel?
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
It's a pretty cold day today, about 50-some degrees, so I layered up so I can take the sweatshirt off pretty soon. I got a jacket, a sports jacket, and another shirt on. So.
Good. All right, you did a good job.
Yeah, it's pretty cold, but it was a pretty rugged climb.
All right. Well, we still got maybe a little more to go up here. We're going to go up around the next bend. You never know what's up there.
Okay. This is pretty, huh?
It sure is.